Team, today we're doing a first look on the brand new Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? That's right, you see this beautiful masterpiece right in front of me. We have the brand new Ninja Foodi XL Pro Grill and Griddle, and we're gonna take a brief look at it today. Guys, got a little bad news for you. It hurt your boy CJ deep in the heart, but I shot a bunch of footage with this beautiful masterpiece right here for Ninja Foodi for the upcoming infomercial, like the one I've been on before, you know, with the original Ninja Foodi. But I was told by the producers that I did not make the cut on the first show. So I'm not bitter. I'm not mad. Just a little bit. But we're gonna press on, and I'm gonna do my own dang infomercial using this new grill and griddle. All right, we are gonna do a quick look at this, a quick review. There's no unboxing. I've actually had this unit for I don't know, a long time now, and I've already gotten rid of the packaging. So it's already out of the box. It comes with your standard recipe booklet. There's 15 nice recipes in there. This one has a quick start guide. It has the owner's manual, as you're usually, you know, all the normal stuff that come with your Ninja Foodi grills and Ninja Foodi products. Real quick, I want to let you know that this is not a full-on review video. We're going to do that a bit down the line. This is just a first look, showing you everything that comes with it. I'm going to give you the background, everything, the dimensions, all that good stuff. But if you have a question that I do not answer today, put it in the comments down below. I will answer them, or I will find out the answers for you on them, okay? So just do that for me. Hit the comments down below if you have questions. I will also put a link for this new Foodi Grill and Griddle in the comments below, in the pinned comment down below, and in the description below. It's an affiliate link. If you decide to buy one through Ninja Kitchen, please, you know, use my link. It doesn't cost you anything else, but it helps out, gives your boy a commission, lets Ninja know I'm working for him, right? So we're gonna go ahead and bullet point some of the differences, the new changes, the great improvements they've made. Two things that just stand out to me, obviously, and they will to you too, is that you can cook with the lid up on this one. Every Ninja Foodi grill and most of their products have heat down, meaning that the convection air frying element over the top of whatever you're cooking is what heats it. So it heats from the top down. They do find ways to move and groove the air to circulate, but this one is changing that game by putting the heating element on the bottom and the top. So you still have that air fry convection coming down, right? But now there's an independent heating element from the bottom. So now there's a grill grate that actually latches into the bottom. It has two little notches in the front, and then a latch that you push it into to lock it in secure. The button on the side, a little red button on the side to release, so you can take it out and wash it. But that's your new grilling surface, all right? So in junction with that, we have the new griddle feature that goes along with the Pro Grill and Griddle, all right? Here's another thing, I had a little bit of problem with this. I've been working on this project with Ninja for a long time, even before I got this. I was part of studies about, you know, how they can improve the grill. They labeled the griddle as the barbecue griddle. Now, as a lot of you all know, I'm, you know, pretty well versed in barbecue, grilling, all that good stuff. You do not barbecue on a griddle. All right, barbecue is low and slow outside. You got smoke, fire, you know, that's barbecue, right? Low and slow, get it? Or even hot and fast. As long as it's outside, you're using fire, you're using coal, all that good stuff. You don't barbecue on a griddle. So don't let that kind of confuse you. You're not doing anything except griddle cooks. You griddle your bacon, you griddle pancakes, quesadillas, or whatever. You get the idea. And we are going to feature the griddle a lot when I go forward and make videos with this beautiful machine. You're not doing anything other than using it for griddle necessities, all right? It's still a grill, first and foremost. The next couple videos I have coming out, I use one for steak pinwheels, little flank steak pinwheels, and I use the grill feature, and then I make some awesome breakfast sandwiches using the griddle surface, okay? So be on the lookout for those. With the new Grill Grate, you get edge-to-edge cooking. It is an even disbursement of heat all the way around. With that even heating and that 500 degrees coming on that independent grill grate that heats from the bottom, getting better charred grilled flavors on your proteins, right? The other thing that's exciting, and I know a lot of people have issue with it, is the grill grates themselves, the direction of them. A lot of people, and including myself, did not like first two incarnations of this grill with the grill grates that spin, right? And I get the idea behind them. It helps convect air and flow evenly. Most of us like a straight grill mark, a straight grill grate. And this is what they've done. They've changed it up. We have a nice straight grill grate, so you're gonna get some beautiful grill marks on there, not little squiggly ones that you get on the old grill grates. To me, that is awesome. It's just, it's a better aesthetic. You get more of a char on there. And we all know char is flavor, right? Talking about the griddle, it's another great thing that you'll be using with the lid up. It heats from the bottom up. You have 12 inches of cooking surface on there, non-stick. You guys are not gonna wanna use metal utensils with it, so make sure you have your silicone or plastic spatulas when you're cooking on it. It also comes with an air fryer basket. It's a 4-quart air fryer basket. It's not the biggest, but it's not the smallest. You still fit plenty of wings, plenty of French fries, plenty of whatever you guys use your air fryer for. The other functions that come with the grill are the roast and bake features, your broil feature, your dehydrating feature. So it is your 7-in-1. You know, we went from a 5-in-1, 6-in-1, now we have a 7-in-1. All right. It has that smart cook system. It came with the XL Pro grill, where it has the internal temperature probe stuck to the side, same as the XL grill. Helps you monitor your temperatures as you're cooking, and it's you can set it up with presets or manual temperature controls on there of what you want your internal temperatures to be. And as you all know, I preach to cooking to internal temperatures on your proteins, so it is a big help to have this integrated temperature probe. With the smart cooking system, you have 4 protein settings and 9 customized doneness levels. So it's relatively intuitive, and you should have perfect protein every time. Next thing, let's talk about cleaning. Cleaning is a big deal and a big sore spot for a lot of the Ninja Foodi grill fans out there. The inside of the hood is a pain in the neck to clean. Guys, I use a power wash. I'm not gonna give the brand, but you guys know you can find it in the store. It's a power wash. I spray it up in the top of the lid. I let it soak. I hit it up with hot water on a rag or a scrubbing brush, a sponge scrubbing brush, and then I go to town on it and it gets clean. As far as cleaning the heat shield in there, I use oven cleaner. I know a lot of people have questioned that or not, whether we should use it or not. I'm giving you my advice on it and what I do. You can choose what you want to do with it, okay? When I use the oven cleaner on that little mesh screen, it takes no time at all and it gets clean as a whistle, all right? The removable grill plate, the griddle, the crisper basket, air frying basket, all come off and they're all dishwasher safe. Let's go over the dimensions of this bad boy. It has a 36-inch cord, which is the same as your other Foodi grills. The wattage on it is 1766. The dimensions, it's 15.7 inches long, 17.4 inches wide, and 11.6 inches in height. It is 27.5 pounds. It is the heaviest Foodi grill by far, and this has to do with the new integrated grill plate. It just makes it a bit heavier. The 27.5 pounds for the new Foodi grill and griddle compared to the XL grill. The XL grill was 22 pounds and the original grill was 20 pounds, okay? So we've gained about 5 pounds of weight in there. Even though, your boy's trying to lose some weight, we gained some weight using the new Foodi grill and griddle. I have all the Foodi grills lined up. You can tell they're all about the same height. They're all relatively the same depth going from back to front. From side to side, the original Foodi grill is a bit skinnier, but it was a bit deeper on the inside. Pro grill and griddle compared to the XL grill, they're about the same width from side to side. What I do notice on the inside of the new Pro grill and griddle, they put the heating element a little tighter to the top of the lid. All right, so there's a bit more room in between the mesh screen and the bottom of the lid. Someone asked me if you can use air basket from the XL grill in the new Pro grill and griddle. I tried, it does not fit. So if you're gonna use your air crisper basket, it needs to be the one that fits the grill and griddle. Okay, so keep that in mind. In summation, it's about the same size as the XL grill. All right, you're gonna cook about the same amount of stuff. You could do, your 6 hamburgers, 6 little steaks, so on and so forth. Again, with the original Foodi grill, it's a lot deeper, but you get more surface area with the new Pro Grill and Griddle. I'm really excited about the lid up cooking using the griddle, the grill. When you're doing vegetables on the grill or you're doing thin steaks, it's nice to be able to just have that lid open, get the grill going, do your flipping as you go, and be done with it. You don't have to worry about cleaning up the inside of the lid, and you can just flip and move and groove, right? Same with that griddle. You're gonna be making omelets, you're gonna be making pancakes, doing all the stuff you normally do on a griddle, and you need that lid up. It makes it a lot easier so you can just move and groove with it, all right? All right, guys, I've pretty much covered everything I wanted to cover on this one. Little afterthought as I just got done filming and putting everything away. This is your air fryer basket. There's your griddle plate. One thing that is awesome about this, right? The new Pro Grill and Griddle. It all fits in one thing. With the other grills, you have to separate the grill plate from the air basket. Another benefit of this grill. Be an expert on this in no time. I've already had some cooks on it. I've already done some stuff. I did some smash burgers because you know when you get a griddle, you got to do some smash burgers. So be on the lookout for those type of cooks coming in this bad boy. Again, if you guys want to get yourself one of these Pro Grill and Griddles and you're gonna go through Ninja Kitchen, hit the links down below. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it helps your boy out. But that's about it, guys. We are done. This is an ongoing experiment with this bad boy. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you tune into the videos, and again, comment down below with any of your questions. All right, that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for well, how about just hanging out with CJ today? Cheers.